The Lexie app makes it easy to take the in-app hearing test. You can do this when you first set up your hearing aids or anytime you want to refresh. The Lexie app will guide you through every step to make sure the hearing experience is just right for you. To get the best results, use the tulip domes. These tips create the best seal in your ear for the hearing test. If you need help changing your domes, watch our video on how to replace a dome. After the hearing test is finished, you can switch back to whichever dome you like best. Make sure your ears and hearing aids are clean. Find a very quiet spot where you won't be distracted. The Lexie app has a tool that checks for background noise. It will tell you if the room is quiet enough to start. You'll start with a practice round. You'll hear several soft beeps played through either the left or right hearing aid. Some are high and some are low. Every time you hear a beep, even if it is very quiet, tap the big circle on your screen. If you get interrupted, you can pause or restart the test at any time. Once you finish, the Lexie app automatically saves your results. Your Lexie B3 hearing aids are now tuned to your unique hearing needs. You can now start enjoying sound that is made just for you. If you feel your hearing has changed, you can take the test again. Go to the profile screen in the Lexie app, scroll down to My Hearing Profile, and follow the steps. We recommend retaking the hearing test annually. We want to make sure your hearing always feels its best.